videos in movies we see, no?
So guys, on the way to Pushkar, this driver took us to this place where many deers were found, and the driver took from us just 200 bucks to travel to Pushkar and Anasagar, and even he said he can take us to other places if we mention. But the thing is, the hotel guy mentioned us it's 1,000 bucks, but we got it for 200 bucks. So be careful, guys. And this is a temple which, if you have to go, you have to take, I guess, the Skyliner. Yeah. So here there are many stalls. They prefer you rides with jeep or camel ki bakki or something, camel ride. So we prefer the camel.
How is it, Fida?
Mom found it difficult to get inside the camel ride, but people who don't want to go in the camel ride can prefer a jeep also. Hey guys, so I got this topi which was 10 bucks for temporary purpose, and you can give it back after the ride. So we started riding and I'm quite excited. My mom is doing video calls to everyone, but later on we found there are many jeep safaris and camel safari stalls. So these cars which you get, they actually have a commission base or something, so they get you for less money and drop you to wherever place they. This person sounds a bit besura, and then yeah, you had this folk song in between the ride.
कौन सी फिल्म थी वो? करण अर्जुन
की।
और शोले
में जा नहीं है, वो तो बैंगलोर में से।
चूड़िया बाजार यहाँ पे लगाया था।
हाँ।
ये लड़कियाँ लड़का
नहीं,
यही बहुत है।
नवासा है अभी छोटा, बेटी का बेटा है।
हाँ वही।
So if you take a jeep, you can have a drift in the desert. But then finally we are in this a place where you always find in North India to wear all these costumes, not for free for sure. We paid 100 rupees for each costume, like each dress. They were charging like 500 and all that, but Corona के वजह से discount मिल गया. I really enjoyed wearing all those costumes, but of course my younger sister was really embarrassed. You should have seen her face. She was like, oh my god, you guys are embarrassing.
मकड़ो केसरिया मम्मा Fida, you look nice.
So I'm finally almost ready. अब खाली घूंघट पड़ने की देरी है. This was a needed one in Pushkar to enjoy these moments, but actually it's costly if you see in a way, because you're taking the ride as well as for the clothes you're paying, for every single thing you're paying. But then it was amazing because me, my mom and my younger sister had a quite good time because we started dancing.
डांस कर।
मैं अकेली कहाँ से नाचूँ. My younger sister, though she's so shy, she ran. I started calling this auntie. She didn't come. Then I decided my mom.
आई लोग गरबा करन तड़ा.
This cost one pig 50 rupees, and for the dance it cost 100, and they were asking more. 50 each, and we paid here 300 for the free costumes.
So much paisa wasuli because we got Ahmedabad in Rajasthan, I guess.
ये पानी काला ही आता है
हाँ पर पानी अच्छा नहीं मिलता नहीं पिक्चर में चेक लिख
ठाकुर की हवेली.
उधर लेके जाते हैं
आप हाल तक तो रेगिस्तान चलेंगे और उधर भी से
हाँ.
से लीटर में आता है
पिक्चर का ठाकुर है कि इधर का
हाँ,
ठाकुर है
नहीं पिक्चर का ठाकुर है
इधर का ठाकुर कौन है
हमारे अंकल बहुत अच्छे थे. We kept on asking him and he kept on replying for all our random irritating questions. Finally, we are near Thakur ki Haveli, but I guess we couldn't see much anything. You are seeing it from outside. So, mom was going on telling Amla ka jhaad hai, dekho dekho, but हमें कुछ दिखा नहीं, maybe because of चश्मा.
Dialogue of that movie.
करण अर्जुन डायलॉग याद नहीं मुझे
बोलो ना, मेरे करुण अर्जुन,
आएंगे जरूर आएंगे
मेरी शबनम और युवन आएंगे.
फूल के बगीचे का फूल के बगीचे
We miss Yuan and my Dee a lot, and we are hoping we meet them in Jaipur. So he forgot to show the फूल के बगीचे, whatever. फूल के बगीचे तो दिखाए नहीं. सच बोलूँ तो ये बहुत बेकार था, but then मज़ा बहुत आया guys.
फूल की है मैं कना रहा
I would suggest you guys not to buy anything from the nearby stores because जो भी लिया था सबके कलर उड़ गए.
झूठा प्यार देता है तू, बेवफा निकली है तू. Clear flow. Either you want to eat that, no? Go eat.
I didn't know it was
You were going to eat that.
I thought it was some
I wish I could capture that moment.
Literally my sister was going to eat the fish food. She thought it's something else.
कितरो पूछा मछली? How much did they take?
10 rupees
आना सागर या अन्ना सागर जो भी था वो सागर बहुत बोरिंग था. प्लीज़ डोंट विजिट. आई डोंट थिंक देर इज़ एनीथिंग एज मच एज आई फील बैंगलोर का लुम्बिनी गार्डन. यू कैन विजिट दैट्स बेटर बिकॉज देर इज़ जस्ट अ लेक व्यू फूड कोर्ट where you can just have chill and eat. So here we are having dinner and we are actually going by road to Jaipur. We actually vacated the room a bit early because there's curfew and it's COVID. So we took a car and we are on the way to Jaipur having our dinner right now. So here this vlog ends and I hope I can give you more vlogs. The rest of Jaipur, Agra and Delhi is on the way guys. Keep watching. फिलहाल ये वीडियो देखते जाइएगा because my mom is doing a छोटा मोटा shopping and then I'll just sign off this video guys.